no dust on my photo albums. I can't make it through the day without them. I've been stuck in the middle like Malcolm. AirPods only play early 2000s. Thousands of options to go. Offer concoctions of reruns and...
On Saturday the 13th of June, we've got our next Young Adults Hangout in its open space where you can come, get to know some new community, people like-minded your age, if you want to go deeper in your faith and meet new people. It's going to be a great time. We're going to play games, we're going to worship a little bit together as well. It'll be happening upstairs. So join us from that 12 noon till 2 p.m. on Saturday the 13th of June.
Stranger, I don't know you. Where'd you get your teeth? What high school did you go to?
Hope in the Park is coming back on Sunday the 28th of June over at Hickman Park. So you can come and join us there for a great event for the community where we'll have the local schools there, we'll have the churches together across Bilston and Braidley, and it's going to be a wonderful time. Don't forget to bring a picnic, bring your food, bring your friends, bring your family. It's going to be a great time and we'll see you there for Hope in the Park.
I need something better.
Something big is coming to Wolverhampton.
A day where families, children, young people and communities come together to celebrate cycling, health, freedom and safer streets. On Saturday the 13th of June 2026, East Park will come alive with energy, colour, music and movement as hundreds gather for Wolverhampton Kidical Mass 2026. This is more than just a bike ride. In East Park there will be face painting, live DJ music, creative arts and dance performances, doctor bike repairs, delicious food, cycling skills activities, community stalls and much more. Please take 2 minutes to register online at nolimitstohealth.com or scan the QR code that you received on your flyer or you've seen on the banner today. See you there.
We have got an event coming up called Soul Focus in July, and this is where we're having evangelist Mark Ritchie coming to join us to give us some healthy tips on our emotional and spiritual well-being. It's all about how to look after yourself and dig deep in looking after your soul. So if you want to come along to hear from the evangelist Mark Ritchie, then come along to that on Saturday the 18th of July from 10 a.m. till 12. It's going to be a powerful morning and we'd love for you to come and be a part of that. You can find more details online or chat to one of the team.
I wanna get better, wanna feel a new way. Cause I'm under the weather almost every day. I fire up the time machine to run from the pain. But I can't run as fast as I...
Kids, I've got some excellent news for you. Summer Club is coming back this summer with the theme of Safari. Roar! I'm sure you can do a better roar than me. But this is happening on the 28th to the 31st of July from 10 a.m. till 12 noon every day that week. It's going to be a great time. So make sure your parents book you on. Don't miss out. You're going to see some friendly faces and it's going to be a wonderful time that week at Summer Club. Don't miss out. This week on Wednesday, release is happening where we're going to be joined by some missionaries from Pakistan. So come to church 7:30 here for that evening. It's going to be a great time. And next Sunday, we're going to have a mission-focused service where we're going to be joined by some people from Compassion. So do come along for that. It's going to be a great Sunday for sure. Have a great week, guys. God bless.